Hey there, homeroom parents and lower school teachers. It is time for another session of Tech Tips with Miss Blakely, and we are going to be helping set up your homeroom roster this time. Now, your homeroom roster is really not going to be any different from what you've done in the past, to be perfectly honest. It's going to be almost identical. It's just going to be done through a Google Doc instead of maybe Word like you may have done it in the past. So let us click on the link to get started. And when you click on the link, it is going to ask you to make a copy, and you are going to say yes. You're going to click on make a copy. And the first thing I want us to do is let's go up here and rename it. So get rid of copy of and just instead go ahead and put in the homeroom teacher's name here. Let's go ahead and set those sharing settings. So you are going to type in the email of the teacher for the homeroom. Maybe if they have an aide, you are going to include that as well. And then you are going to make sure that the homeroom parent has this as well if you are not already the homeroom parent who is the one making these changes right now. After you have done that, you are going to go down here and you are going to change this link from restricted to anyone with the link is a viewer, and then done. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just move it to where it belongs. Let's go ahead and get that done. So we are going to click File. We are going to click Move. And we are going to move it into the grade level folders, and then whichever grade the homeroom belongs to. So let's say third grade, Miss Bingle, you are going to click that, and then you're going to click Move here. Once you've done that, it will be in the folder where it belongs, nice and happy, and all that's left is for you to go in and edit and make it pretty. So in the past, this is what a typical example would look like. This is actually a screenshot, so like even if you click on these things that look like hyperlinks, nothing's going to happen. So what you're going to do is you are going to essentially just kind of recreate this, but up here for the class that you are working with. So in each box you want to include the following: the picture of a student, the student's name, the student's birthday, students' parents' names or guardians' names, students' parents or guardians' contact information like phone, email, and address. And it is going to, when you're done, basically look just like this, except that when you include those emails, it will be an actual hot link, which is kind of nice because then that way, if somebody needs to get in touch with somebody, they'll instantly be able to just click on it, pop open an email. Don't forget to update the information up at the top to include the name of the homeroom teacher, a picture if available, hyperlink the email, insert grade level, and the phone number. You can get the picture of the teacher from the Lake Highland website in the employee directory, so you can just, take a little screenshot and pop it in there. Or if you want, you can, see if the teacher wouldn't mind taking like a little selfie with the whole class and insert the picture there. That would be pretty cute. In terms of putting the pictures for each student, either the homeroom parent and the teacher can work together where they send them their roster with all the images and allow the homeroom parent to essentially like screenshot the images and pop them in or something like that. Or, the homeroom parent could reach out to the different families and ask them to just send a cute little picture of their child for this document right here. That's going to be kind of up to the lower school liaisons to decide, as well as the homeroom parents and the homeroom teachers. So this is a pretty easy document. That's really all you need to know about it. It's not too tough. So that's it. Good luck.